Hello friends, in this video I am sharing a very important topic, that is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is the master gland in our brain. There are basically three glands in the brain: hypothalamus, pituitary and pineal gland. But hypothalamus controls all other glands. Even the pituitary gland secretes the TSH hormone. How much to secrete is decided by hypothalamus. Nowadays, girls are having lot of problem of PCOD, PCOS and even conceiving problems or any problem related to men also. This hormone is responsible. It releases the GRH, which is the important hormone to maintain our sexual activity and all the genital problems. Hypothalamus and pituitary, they also control the secretion of the adrenal glands. Adrenal glands are very important in our body as they produce cortisol, which protects us from any infection. The immune system and the metabolism is maintained by adrenal glands. So the hypothalamus we can consider is as the master gland of our body, which is helping all other glands. So it is acting as a remote control of our body to maintain the other glands, and also the emotional balance of our brain is controlled by hypothalamus. So I am sharing you in this video how we can stimulate this point. For all the therapists also, by giving any other treatment and touching this point, the treatment becomes more effective. So check the point. Here is the hypothalamus and little below is pituitary. So what we can do is, it is so simple. We can just press these points every day. If it is painful, we should stimulate them every day. And if it is not so painful, we can stimulate it once in a while. So this can be done few times on this point through a jimmy, or even with the back of the pen. If you don't have a jimmy, you can stimulate these points, or even with a simple clip in your house, you can stimulate the brain points. With these points, if you also stimulate back of your thumb, this is called the medulla, this will make it more effective. So friends, it is so simple to activate the remote control of our body. So do try this and share your experiences, and also it will help you to drain out the emotions which are stuck in your brain. These points and even the medulla, this point. With this, you can also add TW3, which comes in this line. You need not know the point, still you can stimulate this area. If you use these points, you will really thank me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Smile thanks, live designer Taranpreet Kaur.